Welcome. Today I will show you how to unlock FRP Google Lock in VIVO Y11s. First you have to dismantle the back cover. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch our video. Now we are ready to connect phone in EDL mode. Take the tweezers, and there we have test points that we have short. Connect these test points and connect the USB cable. Okay, now we go to unlock tool and we have to find our model. And choose the Erase FRP in EDL mode. Perfect. Everything is done. Now we can check if we have unlocked phone. VIVO Y11s PD2042F with Snapdragon 460. Everything is fine. We no need to log the Gmail. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and until the next time.